Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to review the new CX update together and see how it works and how we can earn more crypto within this bot. So, let's get started with the CX Telegram bot. To start this bot, just use the link I've put in the caption. When we start the bot, we notice that its interface has completely changed, and it looks like a new airdrop. But actually, it's the same old CX. On the main page, which is called Work, we're presented with some information. Let's start with the most important part, the number of CXs we've accumulated so far. It's shown here, and next to it, there's the mining per hour section, which changes based on the number of CXs we've already collected. At the top, it also shows the amount of crypto we have, which I'll explain later on what they are used for. In the middle of the page, we can see the number of golden coins we've earned in the game, and below that, there's the job button. By clicking it, we can earn one of these golden coins each time. Now, what's the use of these coins? If you go to the mine section, you'll see a set of cards that we can buy or upgrade using these golden coins. By purchasing any of these cards, we receive some CX, which increases our hourly profit for earning more crypto. But after a while, the price of these cards becomes so high that we can't just earn enough coins by clicking on the job option. To earn more golden coins, we can click on the convert option, and as you can see, we can easily convert our crypto into golden coins to buy new cards or upgrade our existing ones. There are two other sections, Task and Squad. In the Task section, there's nothing special, and we can complete tasks easily. In the Squad section, you can see your referrals and send your invite link to others. By the way, on the main page, you can click on your profile to see which league you're in, based on the amount of crypto you have. At the top, if you click on this option, you can also see the roadmap of the project. At the bottom here, if you click on this option, you can choose a job for yourself, though this feature is currently inactive. I've tried to explain all the sections, and there's nothing else to add. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video. I hope we can all profit from this airdrop.